If you're looking for an easy weeknight meal that doesn't take a lot to put together and still tastes like restaurant quality food, you have to try my recipe for BBQ Chicken Tostadas. Wait till you see at the end how it all came together, but it started with these smoked chickens that I made the day before. You could use any pulled chicken or diced chicken that's already cooked that you'd like. All you need to do is, in a pan on the stove on medium heat, combine the chicken, corn, and some barbecue sauce. Stir regularly until warm throughout, about 5 to 10 minutes. And then to some tortillas that are crispy, add the barbecue chicken mixture. Top with equal amounts of shredded cheese and bake in the oven for 5 to 10 minutes at 450 degrees Fahrenheit until the cheese is melted and starting to bubble. Then it's time to add your toppings and serve. I like some fresh chopped lettuce, diced tomatoes, sour cream, an extra drizzle of barbecue sauce, cotija cheese, and some fresh chopped cilantro. Served with a side of guacamole, I think this is a perfect weeknight meal. My family really loves it, and it gives us some new play on just our regular old chicken. Also in our roundup, we also do a lot of chicken soup recipes, chicken enchiladas, which is a really yummy recipe I have for you at Sit Bite Go. Check it out. Cheers!